Located in Brazil, adjacent to the Tijuca National Park overlooking the city, ocean, and famous Christ the Redeemer statue, Rio House is a compact residence that serves as a remote retreat for a couple after many years of living in Rio de Janeiro. Supported structurally by two concrete piers hoist a steel and glass box, the house hovers above the ground, raising the structure to the height of the lush rainforest canopy to minimize its impact to the natural surroundings. One of the concrete piers doubles as a fireplace that faces the outdoor seating, dining area, and kitchenette on the ground level. This statuesque hearth is made from board-marked concrete that gains a streaked texture from the imprint of wood boards. Concrete flooring on the covered patio is pigmented with red stain, while Brazilian wood planks cover the ceiling. The concrete fireplace on the ground floor extends to the upper level where it faces a colorful striped rug and low-lying red couch. Large windows across its facade expose the interiors to the surrounding jungle. Manual pivot windows and retractable walls operated by a wheel and pulley system act as natural ventilation systems to cool down the house. In the living room and bedroom, a row of large built-in bookshelves with attached desks span the length of one wall. Local construction techniques were employed throughout the house, including board-formed concrete site walls and interior walls of colorful plaster over terracotta. Here's a look at the floor plan of the house. The raised rectangular volume comprises a marine-grade black steel frame made to withstand the region's humid climate and prevent corrosion.